Welcome back to Fast Money. Let's get straight to Phil LeBeau, who's got some more details from Elon Musk's comments after the shareholder vote. Phil.
He's in vintage Elon mode, Melissa, which means that he's riffing, he's enjoying himself. And why not? His pay package has been approved by shareholders. Now, whether or not he actually gets the pay package, completely separate question. But a couple of subjects that he touched on that'll be interesting for investors and why we're relaying these. One of them involves robotaxi. And we know that they're going to unveil their vision of robotaxi on August 8th. But Elon said today that the unsupervised autonomous driving technology is accelerating very quickly. And he says, if you just follow the curve, it's natural to see where it is headed. He also envisions a day where if you were a Tesla owner and you decide that you were going to put your vehicle into the robotaxi fleet, he says it'll be like an Airbnb. You want to do it for a day, 2 days, a few hours, whatever it is, you can do that. And he says the revenue that Tesla owners will get from making their vehicles part of the robotaxi fleet will far exceed the monthly payment for a Tesla. And then there's the Optimus robot that they are also working on. He believes that that market, the humanoid robot market, will ultimately be 1 billion of those being built a year worldwide, not just by Tesla, but worldwide. And that Tesla could have 10% of that market. How much would it cost? He said off the top of his head, a humanoid robot, Optimus, could cost maybe $10,000 for them to build. And he says, we'd probably sell it for $20,000. We'd make $1 billion. So those are just a few of the comments from Elon Musk. Granted, these are all him on stage, no formal presentation where he's outlining costs, profits, etc. But it is vintage Elon, as you would expect at a meeting like this.
I love it when he prognosticates based on basically nothing. I mean, we don't know what a monthly payment would be for a Tesla owner. We don't know how much
Correct.
One would make. We don't know how much rides would cost, and yet it is enough or will be enough to offset the monthly payment. Same thing with the robot. We don't know if there's a market for $20,000 robot, especially when we don't know what the robot can do. But those are just minor questions. No big deal, right?
Yeah, one other thing, Melissa, one other note that is something tangible that he did just say. They are shipping 1,300 Cybertrucks a week. That is the new, they've just hit that. That's their weekly record, 1,300 per week. So what? Extrapolate that over 52 weeks. You're not going to get 1,300 every single week, but something like that.
Right.
You can see that they're probably up there in that 70,000 annual run rate in terms of shipments.